say we do control L and say my name, as we say before, we print that one if the computer still remembers my name. I'll see that. Okay, so the computer still remembers my name. So how about if you do Y, or put AZ in my name in. So we want to find out if it contains our name AZ, because it's true, because it's AZ here, or if you can put a DANI. As I said, strings are objects, and if you say it's true. So how about if you put some sort of weird character that's not in my name? So if you put a Z, for example, okay, it's contain my Z, and we put XY, for example, our AB, our say it says Fox, for example, is false because these characters are not included in this name. So if you guys want to find out it's a true and false with the your logical, you guys can do that. Just put it in my name. You guys just like asking computer, is my name contains Danny? It says true, yes. And if it says if Fox is in my name and it says false, it means negative. So how about we do is like a indexing, like as I said to you guys, you guys can find indexing as well. Say I do my name, and if it's Yazdani, and you guys can do slicing. So slicing, it means slicing, it means you cut the slice from cake or from the strings, whatever. So you guys want to cut the, so is this index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you guys from 5 to 6, so you guys can do my name. When you do break it, it means you guys is indexing, so you guys want to find the index. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, we want from 3 to 6, for example, and you guys going to see this, but we need to do 3 to 7, for example. Then you guys can cut the slice of DANI. This is very useful if you guys want to do the machine learning, our algorithm, or any other high level programming. It's very useful because you guys need to cut this one inside the list. So how about if you guys gonna do say for example 5, and you guys gonna see it's gonna come from 0 0 1 2 3 4, but not the 5th one. So if you do from 6, it comes in like that. So it goes all the way 0 1 2 3 4 5, but not the 6th one. So that's how it's going to show. So if you do like this -1, and that's how it's going to show that, not the last one, because -1 the rows show the rest, but not the 1 1 here, there, not the. So how about we do like this, and you're going to see that both sides is 0. It means we did not define any slice. We did not define on the left, we did not define on the right, so it means it's going to print the whole. Now we're going to see the third limit in slice objects. So the third limit in slice objects, if you guys going to come here and put, say from we've seen that from 1 to 10 or 3 to 7, so we're going to come here and say my name. So we're gonna put it from 1 to say 5, and then we're gonna do another one, we say 2, and you guys gonna see from 1 to 5, you're gonna see from 1 to 5 0 1 2 3 4 5, and you guys gonna see, and that these two guys here, A and D, so that's the two guys here, A and D. So we're gonna come here and we do another one, and we do double one, we do say 3, and you guys gonna see is bring this Y D I. So here that's a step, it means we're jumping on a step. So the first one is 0 here, then we jump 3 step, 0 1 2, and then that's the third one here, and then the I, then 1 2, and that's the last one. So this guys called step. It means we're jumping, so we don't have anything here. In this one is anything here, but the last one, this is the start, this is the stop, and this is a step. So start, stop, step. That's how you guys gonna jump from 1 2, or you guys can see in this case we've done as a from 1 to 5. It means we want from 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 all the way here. So here, and then we're doing the step is 2. The step is 1 2, and then it's gonna be 1 2, then A, then 1 2, and then it's gonna be D. But we don't have anything here because we are defining from say 1 to 5. But if you do say from 1 to 7, because it's going to be 7, then we're going to see ADN, because you guys going to see the N as well here. So that's the first one. So it's going to jump from 1 to 7 all, from 1 beginning and end. And here this guy is here is step. So 1 2, that's the step A, 1 2, that's a D, and 1 2, that's N. Then there is nothing here. The second one here, it means it's stop. If there is another one here, say Z, then it's going to show, but there is nothing here. So start, stop, and step. This guy is here is a step. Very easy. Alright, so we're going to clear the screen, Control L, and now we're going to say so my name, and the last one is we're going to do slice. So I'm going to put it here, my name, and I'm going to do slice. So it's going to be slice, and then I'm going to say none. I'm going to say none, and I'm going to say -1. So you guys gonna look, we change the other way around. Say my name. If you look in here, my name, you guys look in here, it changes the other way around, so it comes in backwards. So that's still my name. Say if you do, for example, if you gonna put another string here, we can put say Trump, for example, and you guys gonna come here and you're gonna see TRUMP, because it turns this string the other way around, it goes backward. This is very good for passwords. Say for example, if you guys want to do password, for example, it turns it the other way around. If you guys gonna do secret password, our password, it turns your password the other way around. So you guys, so it's still password, draws up, but if you guys looking the other way around, PASS, pass, WORD, password. So that's how you guys can manipulate your string. You guys can play around. So you guys can say, you can do a lot of things with the string. So you guys can do say Joe Biden, and then if you guys want to do slice none, you guys can come here, and that's turns it the other way around. So that's how you guys can do slice. So Python offers you guys a lot of tricks, bits and tricks. You guys can, with the Python, you guys can hack computers. With the Python, can do anything that the hackers can do. And if you guys want, I'm going to show you how with Python you can get inside the people's computer with the Python, because the Python is the main language, very dangerous language for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and even for quantum computers. So keep in mind, even the quantum computers, you guys can use Python. So it's very, very dangerous language. Even the machine learning, you guys can say ML, machine learning, our AI, artificial intelligence, can use Python. They all use Python. So Python in action everywhere, in NumPy, Pandas, in Math, everywhere is a Python. So Python is very powerful language. As you guys seen here, we can turn the manipulated string, we can turn the strings the other way around, we can do anything we want, we can play around with the strings. So that's what strings is in Python. Then once we go towards the functions and classes and everything, then we're going to revisit the strings as well, because we're going to be masters in Python. So in no time I'm going to make you guys a master in Python. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like the video, thumbs up. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.